NerdWallet or EveryDollar? Which one is actually the best in 2026? And choosing the wrong one could mean missing out on the features that matter most for your financial goals. First, let's talk about NerdWallet. NerdWallet is primarily a financial guidance platform. It helps users compare credit cards, loans, mortgage, bank accounts, insurance products, and investing options. It also provides credit score monitoring, financial calculators, educational content, and personalized recommendations. The biggest strength of NerdWallet is helping you make informed financial decisions. Now let's look at EveryDollar. EveryDollar is built specifically for budgeting. It follows a zero-based budgeting approach, meaning every dollar of your income is assigned a purpose. You can create monthly budgets, track expenses, plan spending categories, and monitor your progress toward financial goals. Its biggest advantage is simplicity. Every dollar is designed to help users stay disciplined with their spending and build better budgeting habits without feeling overwhelmed. So, which one is the best? If your goal is comparing financial products, monitoring your credit, and getting financial guidance, NerdWallet is the better choice. But if your goal is creating a budget, tracking spending, and taking control of your monthly finances, every dollar is the clear winner. For most people focused on day-to-day budgeting, every dollar provides more practical money management tools. NerdWallet versus every dollar. Now you know which one is actually the best depending on your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance app reviews, comparisons, and money saving tips just like this.